Okay, this is what we got going on today. We got some GV series Wall McLean's. And I got one that I diagnosed last week for low water cutoff. Won't come off. Come off. Low water cutoff probe is leaking. So see, it's dripping down there, so we're gonna get that out of there. Get that out of there, and I got a new one right here. But I forgot my pipe dope. I'm gonna have to go grab that really quick too. Alright, I disconnected the probe here off the board just to get that off there out of the way. And then we got two. I made sure I didn't have any voltage there. It's 24 volts, but I shut the boiler off. There we go. That's out of the way. I got the relief valve open. Noisy. Oh shit. Airlocked. Just gonna let it run on the floor because there's not much water there. See if I can get a squirt in the face. There we go. There we go. Let me go get my pipe dope. We'll get this thing back on. Okay, so if you look right here on, let's say, low water cutoffs with the brass probe, it says apply pipe sealing compound to threads before installing probe. Teflon tape is not recommended. Usually on all the brass ones, you don't put the Teflon tape. It doesn't, for some reason, it doesn't get a good ground. Let's put it that way, because it's grounding through the pipe. Now on, let's say, the fiberglass ones, the little plastic fiberglass ones, they don't want you to use the dope, they want you to use the tape, because they're getting their ground from a different source down in the unit. But with the brass ones, you cannot use Teflon tape, you have to use dope. So we're going to get this new one. Where did I put it? I lost it. Somewhere. Oh, here it is. I'm going to get the new one installed. Right back there. I'll get some... Oh, get some pipe dope on it. You guys haven't seen this in a while. For your pleasure. Don't get it on the probe, just on the pipe thread. This one's been changed before. I think in 2011. I think that's what they wrote on the top of the low water cutoff. Figure out where to put it. So gotta have a screw over here. Right there. Water back on it. Make sure I have no leaks. You know, before I install the new low water cutoff. This one's manual reset. There it is. There we go. And my probe wire is right here. Probe wire on there. Now I just gotta connect the wires the way they work. I don't know what the heck they got going on here, but not sure. There's my standard 24 volt wire, and then they got this big 12 wire in there, and that's also 24 volts too. I didn't really track down what it was. So let me get these switched over. Alright, we got the wires transferred over. Back where they were. So we have light. We had light. Let's see. We had light for a second. Let's see, where does that one go? That one goes there. Goes to here. And then another one goes up to here. So it comes from the outdoor reset control through here, then to here. So it's breaking the call over there. There's that outdoor reset control. So it gets a call from over there, brings it, looks like it brings it through manual reset. Is that a manual reset high limit? Or a controller? It's a manual reset. It's a high limit. Then brings it down here. Then breaks it in here if it's got low water. And then up, sends power to the pump over the control board there. That's how it works. So that's breaking the call for heat. So we get that all set. Man, I replaced this under warranty like 3 years ago. This whole tank I replaced under warranty, and now it's leaking again. This is a retirement kind of community, and I told him before, I go, you need a bigger tank than this. And he's like, well, I just got authorization to replace what's there. Okay. So I just gave him a quote for this and that pump back there, because they just don't last. I think the one before was like 5 years old, and they had the same problem, just leaking everywhere. It's just, I don't know what's up with the Amstrol tanks. This is the new style, where everything comes off the top. The old style, just the hot came off the top, and you had 3 pipes at the bottom. But yeah, see, they got it turned all the way up. They can't get enough hot water. They complain they can't get enough hot water. For one thing, the recirculation pump is dead, and it doesn't work. So we're probably going to replace the expansion tank. So that's it for this one. Hopefully we'll have an upcoming video on that. Let me get tidied up here. I just got to get everything out of here. Like I said, I was out there I think last week. Yeah, he called out. He's like, the low water cutoff's leaking. Like, okay, let me get out there and see. And I just ordered the part, you know, because I didn't have it locally. We got back out there this week to change it out. Just a quick swap out, you know. I ain't reinventing the wheel on that one. It's just a quick part swap. So basically, just keep in mind that Teflon tape and pipe dope. Brass low water cutoffs always get the pipe dope, always. And the fiberglass or the plastic ones, whatever you want to call it, always get the tape. So keep that in mind. I don't know, don't ask me why, but that's how it is. Everyone I've ever installed, that's how it is. So don't make the mistake putting tape on there, because it'll flash low water because it's not getting a good ground. So kind of keep that in mind. You know, if you ever put together the thing and you're not paying attention, or you can't remember which one I should put the tape on and which I should put the dope on, if that thing don't work, start looking there. Because I've done it, I've seen it many times where people don't pay attention. I've done it. many times. So that's how I know. So you guys know what you need to do. Hit up the GoFundMe for my son. We're getting towards a surgery on May 4th. Unfortunately, I'm taking a lot of time off work. I just can't. I got to be home with my son. And GoFundMe's helped me do that. I appreciate it very much. So if you guys could please help me out. I appreciate everyone that has donated, even a few times already. It's amazing. So just please help me out. I got to get through this without losing my house and everything else I own. It's really hard. It's really financially and emotional stress. And I mean, the decisions I got to make this week are life-changing. Just I'm an absolute mess. My wife's a mess. My son's a mess. So if you could please donate, if you can. If you can't, just watch the videos, and I make a little money off of that. So you guys know what you need to do. Hit up the GoFundMe, like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you.